Hi guys! Today we will be making delicious pan-roasted vegetables. As a side dish, they make everything way tastier and are also wonderful on their own. Let's prepare our veggies first. Cut a red onion into large chunks. Next, cut an eggplant into quarters and slice it into 1 inch or 2 cm slices. Try to cut all the veggies into the same sized pieces so that they can all cook evenly. Slice a zucchini into thick slices as well. Cut a yellow bell pepper almost in half. Now cut around the stem and separate halves of pepper from the core. Chop the pepper into large pieces. Thickly slice 200 grams or 7 ounces of button mushrooms. Slice 200 grams or 7 ounces of cherry tomatoes in halves. Now let's make a seasoning mix. Combine half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of garlic powder, half a teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/4 of a teaspoon of dried basil, 1/4 of a teaspoon of dried thyme, 1/4 of a teaspoon of dried cumin, 1/4 of a teaspoon of dried rosemary, a pinch of black pepper, and stir to combine all the spices. Turn the stove on medium-high heat. Pour around 2 tablespoons of cooking oil into a non-stick pan and swirl it around to coat the pan. Put your veggies into the pan and stir. Hold on to the tomatoes for now, they would overcook if you put them in right now. Roast the veggies for around 10 minutes, stirring them occasionally. add the seasoning mix. Now add the cherry tomatoes, mix them with the other veggies and let them roast for a couple more minutes. That looks amazing. You can use these wonderful veggies as a side dish with couscous, risotto, as a side to your protein of choice, put them in a pasta salad, or if you can resist, you can just eat them on their own. If there are any other meals you would like me to make, just subscribe and let me know in the comments. Enjoy!